Now I am going to invite Mr. Bharatha Subasinghe, Director, CEO, DPR Global Business Networks Private Limited, to address the gathering.
Ayubowan, made in Sri Lanka to the global. In Sri Lanka, in recent past, the entrepreneurship development is a key topic in Sri Lanka. Even it is not in Sri Lanka, but it is in the worldwide. But even in we discuss about the entrepreneurship and development of small and medium scale business, the critical factor in business developing is to find the market. So market is a very critical factor in sustain of any business in Sri Lanka or worldwide. Sri Lanka is a small country and our market is very small. So therefore, in Sri Lanka there is a very big competitive to find the new market. So all the entrepreneurs or small scale or medium scale businessmen, so they need to find new market. So obviously this new market will be not in Sri Lanka, but it should be out of Sri Lanka, or you have to move from Sri Lanka to the global market. In global market, the buyers are, so many buyers are there. But buyers will not buy product simply because of the supplied goods from Sri Lanka. So any buyer in the world, they may check about the quality of the product, they evaluate the companies and their strength, their capabilities, their skillness, and those kind of criteria they will check. In addition to, the most important factor is the credibility. So credibility is most important in anyone engaged in the business of international sector. So therefore, now on one hand there are some exporters and on the other hand there are some possible or prospective buyers. The problem is now how we meet these exporters or buyers, or else how we meet their ideas each other. So that is where the DPR is here. The DPR Global Business Networks is here to provide our service not only for the exporter but for the buyers as well. We know in the buyers, so they are not familiar with Sri Lankan market. So they are not familiar with the Sri Lankan product. But we being Sri Lankan, we are very much familiar with our product and we are very much familiar with our products in Sri Lanka. So therefore, we can help each and every buyer who wish to buy any product from Sri Lanka without any problem. We act as independent and competent advisor to advise you when you buy any product from Sri Lanka. So therefore, we invite all the buyers in the world and also we invite all the exporters in the Sri Lanka to make their business success to join with our virtual business platform or virtual exhibition platform. We from DPR, we are waiting to help you and please join with us to make your business a success. Ayubowan.
Thank you, Mr. Bharatha Subasinghe, Director, CEO, DPR Global Business Networks Private Limited.